Hello everyone, welcome to Rainbow Fingers Art. Today, let's draw a bunny with the floppy ears using these colors. First, let us draw the bunny's face. And now comes the eyes and the nose. Now let us draw the Easter eggs. I have also drawn some grasses and also a butterfly. Now let us start coloring the eggs. Next, let us color the cute bunny. Now let's color the grasses using green color. You can also color the butterfly of your own choice. And it's done. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more drawing videos. See you in another video. Bye bye.